We've got really great low sodium dips. Now we need some really great low sodium goodies to dip in those dips. Our baked tortilla chips go really good with the salsa. We had company for dinner and I served chicken and mushrooms and another vegetable from my low sodium air fryer course. My company poured the jalapeno sour cream dip over the chicken and dipped mushrooms and fried zucchini in it. Pretty soon we were all doing it. Really, really good. Take a walk through your produce section. Look for firm veggies that your family likes. Maybe try a few new ones. You might like things I just never even thought about. One asparagus spear has no sodium. A medium carrot cut up in little sticks, 42. Cauliflower florets, 2.5 cups has only 60. Broccoli, a half cup chopped is 15. Celery surprised me. One stalk, 1 inch by 12, has 51. I can't taste the sodium in there. A cucumber, 6. 4-inch green beans, 6 of them. 6. Green onions, 4 and an 1/8 long, 10 of them. Just has 6. Jicama, for 1 cup, has 15. Jicama kind of looks like a potato, and you peel it and slice it. Put out what you're going to use on your veggie tray. The rest of it, drop in some water in your refrigerator, put a lid on it, change the water every couple of days, lasts a whole lot longer that way. Mushrooms, 8 ounces, 30 milligrams. Peppers, 1 medium, orange, red, or green, has 4. Radishes, 1 medium, 2. Snow peas are 0. I grow snow peas in my backyard every year. They're really good. Cherry tomatoes, 6 of them, has 5. Water chestnuts canned, La Choy, half a cup is 15. They really are good on a dip. They're just crunchy and good. This gives you some ideas. Go to your grocery store, see what else you can find. It's really nice to have low sodium dips and low sodium goodies to dip in there. Appetizers when you have company, or just got the munchies. Whatever you buy to put in those dips is going to depend on how much sodium you can have in a day. If you have your number from your doctor that you can't go over, we have to keep that in mind, whatever we do throughout the day, because we like to keep things just as low as we can. That's my goal.